Over a year ago, I did this review for this Amazon Basics dual brew single serve coffee maker, and I gave it a very positive review. But one of my favorite things about doing these reviews is seeing if I love it 1 year later once I have actual experience with it, so that you, of course, can make a better buying decision. So over 1 year later, do I still love this thing? The answer is absolutely, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, me personally, I'm much more of a K-cup guy than I am ground coffee. It's just simpler for me. You just put it into this little cup holder, put it right in here, put it down, and then put whatever ounces you want in order to make your coffee. In which on the side here, you're gonna press capsule, and then you're gonna choose between the options of 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 ounce. A lot of Keurigs don't offer that 14 ounce option, so I love that first and foremost because it gives me 5 options as opposed to 4 for when I'm really wanting a big coffee. And just like with most Keurigs, if you need to fit a mug on the bottom of this, you can do so by removing this tray, and it will fit just fine. One option that this Amazon Basics Dual Brew has also is to put it up just a little bit higher in this scenario. That way you don't have a lot of splash for a mug this size where the coffee's splashing out, because if you have it all the way down here, that might be the case. But instead, you can easily move it up just like that. You can see how simple it is to do so. The reservoir is nice and wide. It holds 24 ounces. That's basically 2 cups of coffee if you're getting a regular size coffee of 12 ounces. That's a good bit, and I do love how easy it is to take off and put on just like that. But personally, I do hope they make one in the future that doesn't just stop right here. It goes all the way down to hold more ounces, because I'm just not a fan of having to refill this thing over and over and over again. But the plus note is you do get fresher water, obviously, because you're not leaving water in there for as long. However, the number one reason why I love this thing so much, I know I said that I love K-Pods, and I do, but quite often I drink so much coffee that I run out of them, and I don't realize that until the morning when I get up and I really want some coffee. So having the grounds option in that scenario is awesome, and all you have to do is basically take this grounds cup right here, fill it to the max line with the grounds that you like. I have this fall flavor as well as this winter peppermint bark, and in this scenario you would just fill it up to that max line right there, put it in just like that, and instead of choosing capsule on the side, you would choose ground. And again, same thing, 6, 8, 10, 12, or 14 ounces are available. So the fact that this thing can dual brew with K-Pods and with ground coffee so simply makes it a big time winner in my book. And as I showed in my original video, a 12 ounce cup of coffee brews in just 1 minute and 45 seconds. Obviously, depending on the ounce size, that's going to be less or more from there. But that's not a long time at all to wait for your coffee to brew. The Amazon Basics Dual Brew Single Serve Coffee Maker, 1 year later, I still recommend it.